How to do and where to find this viral add your sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you from where you can find this Instagram add yours change story you 5 years ago or bad luck in 2023. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app and then search for Ali and John YTT. Once you go here, you will have to go to December, add yours at highlights, which is here. Click on that, tap until you find your desired sticker. And if the highlights are not loading, you don't have to worry because I have a tutorial in the description box below. So make sure to check that. You can find some other viral trends if you like from here, as you can see. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a picture from 5 years ago. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel so you can turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day content like this. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you get through them all. So thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.